When I started making my own DIY lotions over a decade ago, they were waxy, greasy, and frankly, pretty awful. Ugh. I wanted to make amazing lotions that I loved, so I kept trying. And I kept discovering even more ways DIY lotions can faceplant. After years of making lotions that just didn't turn out the way I wanted them to, I finally cracked the code for creating the lotions and creams of my dreams. I've transformed over a decade of emulsion experience into a 10-step lotion formulating framework, and now I want to share it with you. I've been teaching formulation for over a dozen years, both online and at live events around the world. But this is the first time I'm sharing everything about lotion formulation that I've uncovered through years of experimentation and research. What makes this 10-step framework so incredibly powerful is you're not just learning how to make a lotion. You're learning why lotions and creams can come out downright awful, and saving years of trial and error and headaches from Googling that turns up lots of different methods and straight up conflicting advice, leading to frustration, confusion, failed lotions, and tons of wasted ingredients. This 10-step lotion formulation framework is unlike anything you've ever seen before. I'm taking you through what actually matters, step by step, so you can formulate the lotions and creams of your dreams from the ground up. I am super excited to announce the release of my new online video workshop that'll teach you the hows and whys of lotion formulation with my 10-step formulating framework, so you can stop trying to find the perfect recipe and instead make your own. In this A to Z on-demand workshop, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to create your very own lotion formulations from the ground up, without any expensive ingredients or fancy equipment. And you'll learn how to begin adjusting and customizing your formulations to make the lotions and creams of your dreams. But that isn't all, because over the years of developing this 10-step framework, I have learned a lot of lessons the hard way, filling hundreds of pages with notes, and I've collected tons of helpful resources that I refer to all the time as I formulate. I've never shared them before, but because I want you to make the best lotions and creams you can, I've put it all together into a truly massive 22-page lotion formulating cheat sheet. This super helpful PDF is absolutely packed with formulation guidelines and strategies, starter formulations, troubleshooting help, must-have ingredients, my favorite suppliers, and more. It's full of information I have never seen anywhere else, and I'm including it as a totally free bonus. The workshop is available through the Humblebee and Me online course platform. You'll have access to the full 10-step framework as soon as you sign up, and if you sign up by June 9th, you'll not only get to take advantage of the live launch Q&A, but I really wanted to make this launch super special, so I'm sharing one more thing that I know will make your formulating life so much easier. It's the ultimate formulating companion that will instantly streamline your formulating and eliminate the anxiety of having to manually do the one thing we all hate, math. Ugh. I'm including as a limited time launch bonus my lotion formulation calculating spreadsheet. It does all the annoying calculations for you so you can get straight to the fun stuff. It'll save you tons of stress and fuss, and you'll get it absolutely free, but just for this launch. The workshop will be available to purchase after the launch Q&A, but you'll miss out on the calculating spreadsheet gift and on having your lotiony questions answered. So sign up now so you have time to work your way through the workshop, make some lotions, and then get your questions answered at the live Q&A. I am so excited to share this with you. Click the link below to learn more and sign up. I'll hopefully see you soon. Happy making!